Hi there. Join me in the latest episode of Sip Easy. Well, this is great news. I'm glad to know that you have decided to invest via SIP. Now coming to our question, ideally, we all want to make the best out of our investments, right? So in the pursuit of this optimization, a lot of investors believe that it is smart to spread your total monthly SIP amount across different dates. But trust me, in reality though, any day or date is the best date to start an SIP. And this is backed by past data, like we saw in our earlier video on how to select the best date for your SIP. The returns are not drastically different. True to its nature, the entire idea of SIP investing is not to worry about timing the markets. And that's why investing regularly without skipping your SIPs will ultimately help you capitalize from markets' ups and downs and rupee cost averaging. To sum up, you can have multiple SIPs on different dates, so it becomes lighter on your pocket while balancing your SIP investment and your daily needs. Or have all of them on the same date if you have enough funds or have saved up for it. Just ensure that there are enough funds in your account for your SIP debit. Like I always say, Zindagi bhi SIP ki tarah hai. Taking small consistent steps today will help you achieve your financial goals. For more such content, subscribe to our channel today. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.